am road tripping down to Mount Tamborine. Our first stop is the beautiful Cedar Creek Falls, which you can see behind me here. And I'm going to show you all the things you can do in a day in Mount Tamborine. So let's go.
Mount Tamborine is just over an hour's drive from Brisbane and 40 minutes from the Gold Coast. It's a little hinterland oasis filled with rainforests and waterfalls and a cute little street filled with cafes and craft shops. Cedar Creek Falls is one of Tamborine's popular attractions with stunning views over the open canyon, waterfalls and rock pools. It's only a 500 metre walk from the car park to the lookout and about 900 metres to the bottom rock pool. During summer, this is a really popular freshwater swimming hole. From Cedar Creek Falls, we headed up to the top of Mount Tamborine, a drive that takes you through lush rainforests. The road is a bit windy, as this car discovered.
Stop number 2 of our Mount Tamborine day trip is Curtis Falls, which we're at now. It's a short walk down to the falls downhill, which is really great. So let's go and check it out.
Curtis Falls is the jewel in Mount Tamborine's crown when it comes to natural attractions. It's about a 15-minute walk down to the falls through beautiful rainforest, and it's an easy walk downhill. One thing that not everyone does that I recommend doing is the Lower Creek Circuit. It's a 1.6 kilometre return walk that is very scenic with lots of pretty cascades. But of course, what we are here to see is Curtis Falls. It's always quite busy, so you may have to wait to get a shot. Thankfully, we didn't have to wait too long. If you're hungry after your walk, there is a quaint little cafe at the top, back near the car park, to grab a bite to eat. We decided to go into the main street for lunch, which is called Long Road. You can find lots of great places to eat and craft shops. Check out the German cuckoo clock shop, which has crazy amounts of cuckoo clocks. And pick up a sweet treat from Granny Mac's famous fudge shop. Driving to our next location, we came across a beautiful driveway lined with autumn-coloured trees. We had to stop and take a closer look.
Okay, so we're at location number 4 now, and we're at the Botanic Gardens in Mount Tamborine. This is a really beautiful spot. As you can see behind me here, we've got a beautiful lake with reflections on it. It's late afternoon, so the sun's getting low in the sky, and we've just gone through autumn, so there's some gorgeous autumn colours in the trees. So let's go and have a look around and see what's here.
I was really surprised with how pretty the Tamborine Botanical Gardens are. It has a great Japanese garden, a gorgeous English style garden, which is a favourite type of mine, autumn tree laneways, and the reflections on the lake were incredible.
So that's a wrap on the day trip to Mount Tamborine video. I hope you enjoyed this one, and don't forget to give me a like, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you again next week for another video. Bye!
Bonus location. If you like to watch sunsets, there is a great spot called the Hang Glider Launch and Lookout, where everyone goes to watch the sunset, but make sure you get there early to grab a spot.